In today's video, we're breaking down GoHighLevel Snapshots and why they're one of the most important features for agencies. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if your services still feel custom every single time, or you feel like you're rebuilding the same systems over and over again for each new client, snapshots are what really help you finally step out of that cycle. So by the end of this video, you'll understand what snapshots are, how agencies use them to package services like a product instead of custom labor, and why this shift matters if you want to grow without burning out. This isn't about cutting quality or turning your work into something generic. It's really just about creating structure and leverage so your business doesn't rely entirely on your time. Let's get into it. What even is GoHighLevel Snapshots? So snapshots are reusable system templates that allow you to save and deploy entire account setups across multiple accounts. A snapshot includes funnels, workflows, automations, pipelines, forms, calendars, email templates, SMS templates, tags, triggers, and internal settings. So essentially everything in GoHighLevel. Instead of starting from a blank account every time you onboard a new client, you essentially load a snapshot into their account and instantly recreate your core system. The client gets the same foundation, the same flow, and the same experience, while you avoid rebuilding the same pieces again and again. Snapshots turn your services from something that lives only in your head into something structured and repeatable. They capture how you actually deliver results and turn that into a system you can reuse. This is what allows agencies to grow without constantly increasing workload or reinventing their processes. Let's talk about some of the biggest key features. So one of the biggest features is standardization. When every client starts with the same system foundation, your delivery becomes predictable. You know how things are set up, you know where everything lives, and when something breaks or needs adjusting, you're not troubleshooting a brand new system every single time. Snapshots also allow you to package your services so much more clearly. So instead of selling vague promises or open-ended custom work, you can sell a defined system. Clients aren't just paying for your time or availability. They're paying for a proven setup that already exists and has been refined over time. Another major feature is speed. So snapshots drastically reduce setup time. What might have taken days or even weeks to build manually can now be deployed in minutes. That time savings is going to compound very quickly as you take on more clients. Snapshots also support team growth. When your systems are standardized, it's much easier to train team members, delegate setup, and maintain quality without micromanaging every detail. Snapshots change the agency model and fundamentally how agencies operate. And that's because instead of selling one-off custom builds, you start selling a repeatable system. This moves your business closer to a productized service model. When services are productized, everything just becomes so much more clear and simple. Pricing becomes easier to explain, and delivery timelines become so much more predictable as well. And even client expectations become more aligned with reality. You're no longer starting from scratch every single time. You're starting from a strong base that you already know works. This doesn't mean your services become rigid or inflexible. Customization still happens, but it happens after the foundation is in place. That shift alone reduces overwhelm and decision fatigue. This year, agencies that scale well are not the ones doing the most work. They're the ones making the fewest decisions repeatedly. And snapshots really help eliminate unnecessary decisions. When you use snapshots, your service starts to feel like a product instead of a collection of tasks. That perception shift really matters more than people realize. Clients feel more confident buying something that already exists. It feels intentional, it feels tested, it feels reliable. You're no longer selling potential, you're selling a system. This also helps you avoid scope creep. When your service is tied to a defined snapshot, it's so much easier to say what's included and what's not. Again, you're delivering a known system, not an open-ended build. From a business standpoint, this makes revenue so much more predictable, and from a client standpoint, it makes the experience clearer and less confusing. Now we're going to talk about what agencies typically include in the snapshot. So most agency snapshots include the core systems that every client needs to get started. This often looks like lead capture funnels, intake forms, basic pipelines, onboarding workflows, and follow-up automations. Many agencies also include internal systems in their snapshots. These might include task automation, internal notifications, tagging structures, or reporting setups. Clients may never see these pieces, but they dramatically improve how the agency operates. Some agencies also include niche-specific elements depending on who they serve. The key is that the snapshot reflects the service you actually sell, not an abstract idea of what a client might need. Over time, snapshots become living assets. As you learn what works best, you refine the system and update the snapshot. Each new version becomes stronger than the last. Snapshots versus custom builds. So custom builds often sound appealing, especially in the early stages of an agency. They feel flexible, personal, and tailored to each client. Many agencies start this way because it feels like the best way to deliver value. But over time, fully custom work usually leads to burnout, scope creep, and inconsistent results. Every custom build requires dozens of decisions. You're deciding structure, naming flows, automations, and setup details from scratch every single time. Each decision costs time and mental energy. Each variation also increases the chances of small mistakes that turn into bigger issues later. When every client system is different, troubleshooting becomes harder and delivery slows down. Snapshots reduce that complexity by giving you a clear starting point. They don't remove customization, but they move it to the right place in the process. Structure comes first, customization comes after. So instead of making foundational decisions repeatedly, you're building on a system that already works. This approach protects your time and your margins. You're no longer underestimating how long setup takes or giving away extra work unintentionally. It also just creates a better client experience because systems behave consistently. Clients know what to expect and you know exactly what you're delivering. Clients benefit from this as well. They receive a setup that's been tested, refined, and improved over time instead of something created from scratch under pressure. That leads to smoother onboarding, fewer issues, and just better long-term outcomes for both sides. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons. So, one of the biggest pros of using GoHighLevel Snapshots is efficiency. Setup time is dramatically reduced, which allows you to serve more clients without increasing your hours worked. That efficiency is what makes scaling realistic instead of exhausting. Another major benefit is consistency. Every client starts from the same system foundation, which leads to fewer errors and smoother delivery. This also makes support easier because you're not dealing with a different setup every single time. Snapshots also improve positioning because when your service is built around a system, it feels more professional and more valuable. You're not selling labor, you're selling an actual framework. Now, on the downside, snapshots do require upfront thinking and planning. You have to clearly define your processes and test your systems. This can feel heavy if you're used to jumping straight into client work. There's also a risk of over-standardizing. If you don't allow room for flexibility, some clients may feel boxed in. The key here is to use snapshots as a foundation, not a constraint. Now, let's go ahead and touch on the different plans and pricing options. We do have an exclusive link down below that you can get access to an extended 30-day free trial rather than the normal 14. So just wanted to remind you that that is there. Now, in terms of pricing, they do have a couple different options here. We've got the starter, the unlimited, and the SaaS Pro. The starter plan is $97 per month, and you get everything that GoHighLevel offers, from booking to nurturing to closing leads, the website builder, and so much more. You get unlimited contacts and users, and you can set up to 3 sub-accounts. Next, we have the unlimited plan, which is $297 a month, and with this, you get everything in the starter plan, but you get unlimited sub-accounts. That is the biggest difference. You also get API access to integrate with anything and a branded desktop app. And lastly is the SaaS Pro. You get everything in the unlimited plan, but you get auto sub-account creation and rebilling enabled with the ability to set your own markup, and then rebilling available on Conversation AI. Okay, so choose the plan that's going to best fit your needs. Before we wrap up, I wanted to touch on some bonus tips. So one helpful tip is to treat your snapshot like a real product, not just a backup or convenience tool. Give it a clear purpose. Ask yourself what problem it solves and who it's designed for. This mindset makes refinement so much easier. It's also smart to version your snapshots instead of constantly overwriting them. Save updated versions as you improve your systems. This is going to give you flexibility and really just protects you from breaking something that already works. Another really helpful approach is documenting what snapshots include. This is going to help with client communication, onboarding, and team training. When everyone understands what the system contains, expectations can really stay aligned. Some agencies create multiple snapshots for different offers or niches. This keeps each system focused and prevents unnecessary complexity. And finally, remember that snapshots are going to evolve. They're not meant to be perfect from day one. Revisit them regularly and make small improvements over time instead of waiting for a massive overhaul. If you're running an agency or offering services and want to scale without burning out, GoHighLevel Snapshots are absolutely worth using. They're going to allow you to package your services very clearly, deliver faster, and just protect your time. If you enjoy fully custom builds and only work with a very small number of clients, clients. Snapshots may feel a bit unnecessary at first, but most agencies eventually reach a point where systems are no longer optional. This approach is best for people who want consistency and leverage instead of trading time for money indefinitely. I know how overwhelming it can feel when every new client feels like a brand new project from scratch, but systems like Snapshots remove that pressure and just help your business run in a much more sustainable way. If you want to explore GoHighLevel Snapshots for yourself, don't forget to use our exclusive link down in the description below to get access to an extended 30-day free trial. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you master GoHighLevel so you can build smarter systems without confusion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.